then chair of the Africa Center for Research and Legal Studies, Kampala. He served as chairperson of the Public Service Commission, and from 2008 to July 2013, he served as a judge of the High Court at the Masinde High Court Circuit. From 2005 to 2008, he served as Secretary to the Judiciary. From 2002 to 2005, he also served as Permanent Secretary in the Ministry of Gender, Labor, and Social Development. From 1985, he served as Undersecretary in the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, and also later served as a Foreign Service Officer Grade 5 and was posted to Ottawa. He has served on many boards and has also published and reviewed several works. Justice Emeritus Rafo Chan is therefore recognized for his dedication and distinguished service over the years and unwavering contribution to the economic social transformation of Uganda. The Distinguished Order of the Crested Crane Grand Officer is bestowed on Mr. Barot Hashad Maganbai, born on 3rd January 1959 in India. In 2006, driven by his understanding of Uganda's development needs, he responded to the demands for eco-friendly, affordable, and accessible infrastructure for the public and private sector, particularly for small and medium enterprises. His vision focused on decongesting urban centers by developing rural areas, providing SMEs with affordable housing and commercial spaces. Over the years, he has become a household name and leading figure in real estate. He stands as a symbol of transformation, turning challenges into opportunities, into thriving realities. Next is Mr. Ikokoro Okware, also granted the distinguished honor of the Crested Crane member. Mr. Okokware was elected LC1 chairperson for Nyarakot Zone, and in the same year joined the first intake of LDUs. In 1996, he was elected RC2 Defense Secretary for Apokor Parish, serving until the creation of Mera Sub-County. Ms. Teddy Nalu is awarded the National Independence Diamond Jubilee Medal. She serves as the National Coordinator of Unbound Uganda, a reputable non-governmental organization operating across 8 districts. She has led the establishment of 10 functional cooperatives, uniting more than 12,000 households. Mr. Wamnono Nathan is a civilian war veteran who operated in the Ngoma zone during the liberation struggle, undertaking various assignments in support of the war effort. Between 1981 and 1985, he provided essential support to the NRA fighters stationed in Ngoma by supplying food. He was arrested alongside several colleagues and not survived execution. Mr. Dr. Onesimus Odora Ojur from Kitgum. His services spanned 34 years, during which he worked in various capacities across different districts. Through his lobbying efforts, Lions Aid Norway funded the construction of a modern outpatient eye clinic, including a fully equipped theater now serving the greater region. Dr. Stephen Watiti of Umbare from 2004-2013 worked at Medme Uganda, an HIV treatment center of excellence, before retiring into consultancy and writing. Beyond HIV advocacy, he promotes universal health coverage, including prevention screening for non-communicable diseases and palliative care. Dr. Mugambe Paul Francis, he began his medical career at Mbare Regional Referral Hospital and was later transferred to Mityana General Hospital, where he served until his retirement in 1998. While serving in Mbale, he provided significant covert support to NRA fighters through a support group led by Senior Nursing Officer Sister Robina Kasada. The Narubare Medal is awarded to Ms. Violet Kechtanda. During the Fronasa period, she played a key role in facilitating the safe passage of soldiers, including late Lieutenant Colonel Akanga Byarhanga, as they crossed into Tanzania. She also provided food and medical supplies to bush war fighters throughout the struggle. The next is Mzee Bukokosi James. Mzee James Bukokosi was recruited by late Joseph Mtwari and Karambuzi in 1972 and began operating in Shikagati, Ruyanga village, Isinjiro district at the Uganda-Tanzania border. Although officially a government storekeeper responsible for firearms, he covertly coordinated freedom fighters in both Uganda and Tanzania. He later diverted guns and helped conceal them in pits, some of which were used in the attack on Simba Barracks in Mbarara on 15 September 1972. He frequently assisted His Excellency the President by transporting him on a bicycle to Chaka at the Tanzania border. After the failed 1972 invasion against Idi Amin and the subsequent closure of the Uganda-Tanzania border, he trekked from Chikagati to Kabare, where he secured work as a driver at the Mafuga sawmills. Late Chiwanuka John Mary of Mpiji. During the liberation struggle, he served as a key local contact, guiding troops through the area and providing food to the fighters. He sheltered combatants, treated them using local herb remedies, and supplied them with raw food such as cassava and sweet potatoes. Tragically, during an operation carried out by Obote's forces, he was murdered in cold blood. Kiza Evelyn Tinkamarilwe of Kakumiro, she worked as a health worker in Chivari Dispensary. In 1981, she was arrested by UPC leaders, accusing her of supporting rebels detained at Karuguju police post. The Royal Triangle Medal is also posthumously awarded to Ms. Mbaba's Marchean of Chankwanzi. She played a key role in mobilizing and encouraging fellow women, particularly the young ones, to remain firm and brave during the hardship of the war. Ms. Mbaba's Nora of Mbende is also awarded the Royal Triangle. She was one of the pioneers of the Uganda Patriotic Movement in 1980 at the age of 16 in Mubende district. The Masaba Star Medal is awarded to Lieutenant General retired Francis Okero of Omoro district. He served the country with distinction for more than 42 uninterrupted years in the Uganda People's Defense Forces. He had multiple high-level appointments in command, administration, operations, and strategic leadership, including being the first commandant of the Uganda Defense College, was Chief of Plans and Operations and Peace and Security Department at the African Union Headquarters, was the commandant of Uganda Rapid Deployment Capability Center, and was also the second force commander of the African Union mission in Somalia. He also served as a UPDF Member of Parliament. Lieutenant General retired Francis Okero is widely recognized for his unwavering dedication, selflessness, patriotism, and strategic leadership. Other general is Brigadier General Kefa Nangeso, who is the Dean of Studies at the National Defense College. The National Independence Diamond Jubilee is also awarded to Colonel Moses Ikurut Emeru, Colonel Hamzat Mukata Kasaja, Lieutenant Colonel Mase Tukahirwa, Warrant Officer 1, Semakura Bosco, Warrant Officer 2, Muramira Richard, Staff Sergeant Engor Girgori, who is recognized for conducting successful operations against the ADF and the Al-Shabaab terrorists in Somalia. The Uganda Police Force wishes to honor also Mr. Haj Bogere Abu, Mr. Kwaja Charles, DIP Chakwira Betty, Mr. Moses, and long service medal by the police is awarded to IP Tumshabe Silva, AIP Nankung Sara. The following prison officers are also awarded the National Independence Diamond Jubilee Medal: Mr. Yusuf Mkembo, Superintendent of Prisons, Mr. Athanas Nyawe Adrich, Assistant Superintendent of Prisons, Mr. Peter Opado, and Ms. Nasimwa Harriet. Last but not least is Mr. Opikason Tarantino. Throughout his service, he has demonstrated exemplary workmanship, leadership, and integrity. He is recognized for his firm decision-making, effective time management, and strong commitment to achieving institutional objectives. As a senior tailor, he has trained numerous officers, equipping them with the skills and discipline required to become dependable and competent professionals. His ability to make swift, well-considered decisions, combined with his excellent planning abilities, has greatly strengthened the tailoring units and enhanced productivity across the stations where he has served. Detailed citations of those that have not been read will be made available to media and will be fully published. So we've done this in order to serve on the time. We extend our deep congratulations to all the awardees and urge them to wear these medals of honor on such national occasions. Finally, I wish to thank the Honourable Minister for the Presidency, the Chairperson of the Presidential Awards Committee,